Part 2 of performing surgery on my sister. Last time people were upset that I didn't wear gloves, so this time I made sure to wear them. She fell asleep while we were watching Baddies, and of course she started snoring like a truck. These nose clips instantly make you stop snoring once you put these on your nose because of the excess oxygen that flows through your nasal passage once you put this on. After a few seconds, the snoring and mouth breathing goes away completely, which means I can sleep in peace. If you are in need for a solution to snoring, make sure to check out the link in the bio.